Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to Hunted RCs. Welcome to my 11th unboxing. Today I will be doing unboxing of Tarantula number 1505, 2.4 gigahertz, 4-channel, 6-axis gyro quadcopter. I've noticed this one on GearBest, and I've seen a video or two of it, and it looked like a decent little quadcopter, and I thought maybe this would be a good one to share with everybody. I ordered this from gearbest.com. I received it yesterday. So let's go ahead and unbox. Okay, just like magic, there's a box unboxed. Quickly have a close up on this. You see it's a Tarantula quadcopter, but this is a clone of a Tarantula X6. You can see this box has had some damage in travel. Not very nice. I took a free shipping option, so this took about a month to get to me. You do get a camera version and an EPV version, but this is not what I've ordered. Well, as far as I understand, this is a relatively simple, no frills quadcopter, but it apparently flies very nicely, nice and maneuverable. And also, it's apparently a nice beginner quadcopter. Let's open up a box. There you go, like promised. Some bit of magic. Let's see what we get in the box. We only get 2 spare props. Let's just keep it in focus here. We get a nice little mini screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. We get the charger. Here we go. This is a remote controller for it. It's got a lock and unlock at the back. Seems like, let's see, that's probably, that's quite nice. You don't have to have a screw. So it takes 1, 2, 3, 4 AA batteries. Feels very light. It's just a sticker, so there's no screen on it. Just tells you the different version features. This is just your normal gimbal controls. I presume this is your trims, your on and off switch button. And trims here. This is no buttons here, it's fake. That's pressable, that's pressable, that's pressable, that's pressable. This will be this button here is your rate control button. This one is your light control, it's on and off. This one here on top, if you press this will be your headless mode. And if you that's a short press, it goes into headless mode. If you press long press, it return to home. And this is your flip button. So short press, it goes in headless mode. Long press will take you into return to home. This is the star of the show. That's the front. I really like it. I'm probably going to fly this without the prop guards. It looks nice. It feels nice in the hands. It's nice and small, so it's nice size. The blades is a bit bent. The box must have been damaged and it damaged the props, but it seems to be should be fine. So at the bottom here, you got your inserts for the landing feet. Quickly have a look and see if I can actually do this installation. There we go. There we go. It looks very much similar to the original Tarantula. I like this one. It's nice and sturdy. It doesn't feel too cheap. So I'm quickly going to plug it in so we can have a look and see how this thing looks like. Oh, that's also nice. I didn't notice that. There's an on-off switch. That is always a nice feature to have. It's a 3.7 volt, 300 milliamp battery. Let's see quickly if we can get some lights. Okay, there we go. You'll see red in the front. It does shine through the body here. Green in the back. Not really what I like, but it's not the end of the world. One can live with that, I think. That's the size of the original Tarantula. This is the size of the clone, which is called the Tarantula Spider 1505. Just for the sake of comparison, I'm going to take this away quickly on the floor. Compare that against the Vista. Let's put it down like that. See, it's a little bit smaller than the Vista as well, so it's a nice sized quadcopter. This was my unboxing of a Tarantula Spider 1505. Thanks for guys for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate the fact that you guys subscribe to my channel. Thanks for that. And if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. and the like button if you don't mind. It always supports the channel, so I can get more quadcopters and show them off to you. And I would also appreciate any comments. It would be really nice to hear from you guys. It's always nice to hear from you guys, and I'll always try to come back to you guys and respond. So guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. See you guys later. Cheers.